Hey, what's up, and welcome to another lesson on how to orchestrate your paradiddle around the drum kit. If you think the paradiddle is just a warm-up or just a technique drill, you're wrong. The paradiddle is the most important rudiment there is, and if you struggle to apply it and orchestrate it around the drum kit, you're missing out. But don't worry. Today I am here to show you how to turn that paradiddle in something musical and something that is useful into your playing. Let's get into it. So today we'll be playing the paradiddle between our right hand and our right foot. Let's go through the 4 basic paradiddles, playing our right hand on the hi-hat and my right foot on the bass drum. Now, all we're missing to create a groove is a snare. Let's put the snare drum on the 2 and the 4 to create a backbeat. Alright, and there you have it, an easy way to orchestrate your paradiddle as a groove, specifically today. So if you like this, please like and subscribe, leave a comment, and if you still don't know how to get started or to develop this even further, comment groove to receive my free groove guide so that you can dive deeper in developing your paradiddle as a musical phrase. See you in the next one.